So it didn't all start like that. While I was doing my MS in mathematics from IIT Bombay, there was one night when everything had gone wrong. I had failed 4 subjects out of 5. My best friend had found a girlfriend, so he had no time for me. I was far away from my parents, and I tell you that night I actually contemplated suicide. So I walked to Powai Lake, and I didn't know how to swim, so I just thought I would just jump in and finish it. And then I put one foot in the water, and it was so cold. And I hate cold water. I said, I'm not going to die like this, not in cold water for sure. And I turned around and I walked back. And that experience of being almost giving up completely, I realized it is not just me. Many people had it. Many people thought of just ending it. What's the point? Later, I became an Art of Living teacher, and I started making these little YouTube videos. 2 of our friends, Abhiram and Gauri Shankar, they were with me. They were both cinematographers. So they used to take videos, and we would just put them up on YouTube just for the heck of it. Maybe someone will see. And one of my videos where I talk about why a plus b the whole squared is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, a little bit of it was in the introduction. That got more than 1 million views. I was really surprised. Why do people want to know why a plus b the whole squared? थोड़ा सा हिंदी में बोलेंगे, ओके? हाँ, मुझे बहुत आश्चर्य हुआ a plus b the whole squared, a squared plus 2ab plus b squared क्यों है? इतने सारे लोग को जानना होता है. फिर हमने काफ़ी सारे ऐसे वीडियोस बनाए, और हमारा YouTube चैनल जो है BND TV, वो it's now got more than 150,000 subscribers. And my point is कि from a person who was wanting to commit suicide to a person who is now here talking to you, I think what made that happen was social media. हाँ, हमने YouTube के ऊपर, Instagram के ऊपर, Facebook के ऊपर, हमें जो आता था वो एक in Asitji's way, in a funny way, in a engaging way present किया, yeah, and people loved it. And I'm saying that if I can do it, if a person who is just almost going to commit suicide can come and stand here today, आज तुम्हारे सामने खड़ा रह के वो बात कर सकता है तुम्हारे साथ, तो तुम भी ये कर सकते हो. और फिर कुछ भी मुद्दा उठा लो. जैसे अभी हमारी तीसरी बुक आ रही है जनवरी में, स्लीप योर वे टू सक्सेस. आई हैव टेकन अप द कॉज ऑफ स्लीप डेप्रिवेशन. पता है दुनिया में इतने सारे लोग आर नॉट स्लीपिंग इनफ. 1 in 4 people have problem sleeping. और US alone has spent $511 billion a year just to handle the sleep deprivation problem, सिर्फ US में. तो हमने सोचा चलो एक बुक लिखते हैं स्लीप के बारे में. हमें एक टाइम गुरुदेव बोल रहे थे चलो जाओ सो जाओ, चलो जाओ सो जाओ, बहुत लेट हो गया. एंड देन ही स्टार्टेड लाफिंग. ही सेड इतने सारे गुरु आए हैं, वो सब बोलते हैं जागो जागो, मैं बोल रहा हूँ सो जाओ सो जाओ. एंड देन ही सेड लेकिन ठीक से सोओगे नहीं तो जागोगे कैसे? तो ये एक मुद्दा मैंने उठा लिया स्लीप के बारे में, और अभी इसके ऊपर हम काम कर रहे हैं, राइट? तो वैसे कुछ whatever is close to your heart, it could be the environment, it could be women rights, it could be children education, it could be taking care of animals, it could be environment. जो भी तुम्हें लगता है which calls you, it could be politics. इसके ऊपर तुम पोस्ट बनाओ, make them interesting, make them funny, make them engaging, and consistently keep posting. And you will have used social media for social action. Thank you.